Hi, my name is Sarah, and inclusion to me means considering and acting on needs that people may have, and thereby making everyone feel seen and heard and included. My first foreign language, I guess I could say, is English, because I started learning that as a kid when I went on vacation to the States, but I guess my first proper foreign language was really Latin, because I studied that at school. That was the first language that I studied in grade 5 at age 10, and it came with a whole bunch of tables filled with grammatical forms, and I really loved it. Helping people getting used to German, learning how to use German was and has always been really fun for me. At one of my former jobs, I actually did like little German conversation classes on the side, which was a lot of fun. And I did the same thing when I was in Korea, and I interned at the Goethe Institute there and did conversation classes. And also in Shanghai, where I also studied for a semester, I joined the German department and really got in touch with people there and talked about how they perceive German. So German, my mother tongue, has always been a means of connection, of connecting to people and sharing their experiences with my mother tongue and maybe trying to help them get a little bit less frustrated about it. My first programming language wasn't really a programming language, markup language, so HTML. When I was 11 years old at school, I joined the website making club. And I was the only girl. There were only other boys there, and they were a couple of years older than I was, which really made a difference at that age. And they were making fun of me. They were remote controlling the computer that I was working on, opening and closing the disk drive, and like really weird things like that. But I still pulled through and learned some HTML, which was really cool back then. On the one hand, there are some well-known, proven facts about diverse teams and companies in terms of their effectiveness, of their decision-making, how they consider facts differently, how they statistically provide better results than less diverse teams. But that aside, on the other hand, I think for me personally is really just more interesting. There are a lot of different people from different backgrounds on my team, and it's just been fun to hear about people's experiences and maybe also have my point of view challenged, having my horizon broadened, so to say, and I wouldn't want to miss that.